Today we're testing a cool new smartwatch from Fitpolo. It looks like an expensive Apple Watch, but it's a fraction of the price and still has some great performance. It has a ton of useful apps like step counting, sleep tracking, and so much more. And this smartwatch comes shipped to your door, ready to keep you on track as well. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a magnetic charging cable, and then your smartwatch. The back of the smartwatch has a magnetic charging base. The cable snaps together easily and holds snugly, so plug it in and charge it up. Then you can power it on and begin setup. Open the VeryFit app, set up your profile, and set your daily goals. Then you can set up your apps on the watch, as well as your custom watch face. There's plenty of free options to choose from too. And after you customize your watch how you'd like, you're ready to go track your day. The display screen is bright and high quality, and the touchscreen is really responsive. There's no lag to it, and it just feels right. You can also use the wheel on the side to scroll through other apps and quickly get to what you want. You can track exercises or even GPS your trip. It has a bunch of different exercises to track too. I wore it during a hike and used it to track how far we walked. It showed how many calories burnt and even gave me a breakdown of everywhere we went. This will be really useful when hiking unfamiliar trails. Then when I'm out and about, I can receive messages, emails, and texts right on my wrist. This way I don't miss anything. And when night comes, you can turn on the flashlight and use your watch to see your area. There's also a Do Not Disturb feature that you can turn on. This way it doesn't interrupt your sleep. Speaking of, it tracks your sleep and gives you a detailed report. Tells you how long of deep and light sleep you get, and even how much REM sleep you got. Now some other cool features that it has is a heart rate tracker, stress tracker, and how many calories that you've burnt throughout the day. You can even do a biometric scan on the spot and see how you're doing right then and there. Then if you have family members with the same watch, you can have them share data to your app and do some friendly step competitions. And if that's not enough, you can easily remove the watch band and customize it with your own bands. But I like the band that it came with. It's pretty comfortable to wear. Also, it's pretty durable. I've been wearing this while exercising, working out in the woods, and I've even dropped it a few times, but there's no scratches. And lastly, it can tell the time. Overall, I'm really impressed by this watch and have no complaints. So if you're looking for a watch that can tell the time and so much more, this watch from Fitpolo might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go on another hike and get my steps up. See ya.